In this lecture, I am going to give one more example for constructing Moore machine. The question is written over here. Construct a Moore machine that accepts the language ends with 0, 1 and prints at A at the end of each substring 0, 1. So, in this we understood that input symbol is 0 and 1 and the output is A, and we can take any other symbol. Let me take B, A and B. First I am going to draw for this input 0, 1. Let me take 3 states. If input is 0, next state is Q1. If input is 1, next state is Q2. In question it is mentioned over here, the language should always ends with 0 and 1, and whenever it ends with 0 and 1, it should print A. So I am going to give output as A here, and in remaining state I am going to give output as B. So if you check this, Q0, if input is 0, next state is Q1, and if input is 1, next state is Q2, and the output for this is B. Here the input string is 0, 1. So whenever we get this sequence 0, 1, it should print A. Let me take one more input symbol, 1, 0, 1. If input is 1, I cannot start here, so I am going to give one loop over here. So Q0, if input is 1, next state is Q1. If input is 0, next state is Q1. If input is 0, next state is Q1. If input is 1, next state is Q2. And output for this is Q0 is B, and for Q1 is B. Again Q1 is B. Output for this is also B, and this Q2 is A. So in this input there is only one occurrence of 0, 1, and we have got only one input A. I am going to take one more input 0, 0, 1, and if I want to draw for this, and I should give self loop over here. Let me start from initial state Q0. If input is 0, next state is Q1. Q1, if input is 0, I don't have any next state, so I am going to give self loop over here. And if input 0, next state is Q1. Now if input is 1, next state is Q2. Now let me find output for this. For Q0 output is B, for Q1 output is B, and for Q2 output is A. Let me take one more input string 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. Let me start from initial state Q0. If input is 0, next state is Q1. Q1, if input is 0, next state is again Q1. Q1, if input is 1, next state is Q2. Q2, if input is 0, I don't have any next state, so I am going to give one loop over here. Q0, if input is 0, next state is Q1. Q1, if input is 1, next state is Q2. I am going to find output for this Q0. If for Q0 output is B, for Q1 output is B, for Q2 output is A, again for Q0 output is B, and for Q1 output is B, and for Q2 output is A. So in this input we have two occurrence of 0, 1, 0, 1. 2 times A is printed. So this is how we have to construct Moore machine.